Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So good Monday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We're here in our Warsaw studio this morning with Winston Norman, our editor-in-chief, to talk about the news kicking off this week. We got a lot going on, actually, over the next 2 weeks. We're working on our CEE retail guide for MAPIC, which we've got a full stand at MAPIC and extensive distribution throughout the fair. So if you've got any retail property or any opportunities for retailers to expand into Central Eastern Europe, please let us know. We'd like to get you in our edition for MAPIC. And Winston, what is the deadline we're looking out for?
November the 21st, correct.
November 21st, coming up, one more week.
A bit less than 2 weeks.
All right, a bit less than 2 weeks. And we hope to see you in the magazine. So we'll take a little break right now and come right back with the news. So welcome back, and Winston, good to see you.
All right, Craig, how you doing?
Yeah, great. Happy to be back in the Warsaw office.
Yeah,
and,
where have you been?
A lot of traveling, a little bit in Serbia, a little bit in Czech Republic and Prague. Yeah, a lot going on with the retail in Prague as well. So in our retail marketplace that's happening May 18th there at Solvansky Dome. So a lot of interesting projects in the region, and that we'll be showing there.
And how was Serbia?
Serbia, always very nice, very warm weather, a lot going on there. We're publishing our magazines. They're coming out again next week. So we'll have a little party there. And launching the magazine. So if you're in Serbia, in Belgrade next Monday, let us know. We'd definitely like to invite you to our opening, to our cocktails.
Sounds excellent.
Yeah,
nice one, Greg.
Well, inviting you too. Come on and join us.
Okay, I'm sure maybe when I finish the magazine, I'll fly down.
Yeah, on your free days.
Yeah.
Free time.
Anyway, shall we crack on with the news?
Yeah, let's see what's going on.
Right, so we'll start in Romania today, and Cushman & Wakefield Equinox has announced their latest report on the office market in Bucharest, and they say that office rents in Bucharest are amongst the lowest in Europe, which, along with the workforce availability and competitive salary costs, represents a major point of attraction for tech companies who want to locate their offices there. And according to Cushman, they say that headline rents in Bucharest continue to increase over the third quarter, and they reached around 19.5 euros a month, which is a €1 rise from the beginning of the year.
Oh.
But although the capital still remains among the least expensive destinations in Europe in terms of occupancy costs, and in comparison, Budapest and Warsaw have around 24 euros per square meter, and Prague is 27 euros per square meter, and so it's still very competitive.
Yeah, Romania sounds very good, actually, and they've got space available, I think.
Yeah, and another interesting point that they say over the last 10 years, IT companies have leased over 1 million square meters in Bucharest alone.
Well, so it is the place to come if you're an IT company, right?
Seems to be. Moving to Poland, and in the Resi4Rent sector, Resi4Rent is dynamically developing its institutional rental market portfolio, and the company has delivered its fourth building to the Polish capital in Warsaw. It offers around 161 apartments, and the investment is located in Mokotów. And this is working on the 15-minute city concept, which is so it's pretty close to all main forms of public transport, including the airport and the railway stations. So residents have got a wide offer of what Warsaw has to offer in that particular location. And they've now, this company, Resi4Rent, now has 6 major urban centres, which is Łódź, Gdańsk, Warsaw, Poznań, Wrocław, and Kraków, and occupancy levels are at 99%.
Wow.
All their buildings. So they're doing really well for this concept.
Sounds great, yeah.
Does sound great. If you're looking for anywhere to rent, then maybe give them a bell.
Well, yeah, they've got one place left.
One place left.
Call them early. Yeah.
And moving to Wrocław, and in the office sector, the Infinity building being developed by Vestas Real Estate and Alchemy Properties has topped out, so it's reached its highest point, and it's scheduled to welcome its first tenants in Q2 2023. And the 7-story Class A office building will offer around 19,000 square meters office space. It's got a it's BREEAM certified, as well as Well Health and Safety certified. And so a nice building there for Wrocław coming online.
Wrocław's always a good place.
Another popular destination for office tenants in Poland.
Yeah, no, sounds great. So that's all we have for today?
Yeah, there's the highlights for today.
All right, excellent. If you want to see the rest of our news, please check EuropaProperty.com. We got a lot of news on there every day, uploading it. We've also got almost 600 now members just on LinkedIn for the Coffee with Craig show. So every week it keeps growing by about 10 a week, and our overall viewing rate keeps growing as well. We were at 7,000 for so long. Now we're at 8,000 a week of people watching the news. So let us know if you have anything to promote or any interviews you'd like to do. We've got opportunities for promotion on the Coffee with Craig show. Really a great vehicle and becoming a better vehicle for promoting your products and your companies and your projects and interviews. We got over 15,000 people watching the interviews these days just on LinkedIn. So really a good, interesting number. So enjoy the rest of the day, and we'll stay safe, and we'll see you Tuesday morning for the news. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.